Once you have created your workbench, you can now click on it. And now from here, you can see there is a tab right here where you can create the farmer's workbench, which is going to be in one of those sections. And so once you create the farmer's workbench, which is going to be in one, you're going to have it right here. And so from here, you can see one of the first options is an option that says capture crate. And as you can see, you will need any wood and then essence of life. Essence of life, you can get that from just plants, normal plants that you can find on the ground that are lighten up. So any plant that is glowing, that will have the essence plant. And so once you do that, you can now create it. And once you create it, now you can have it in your inventory just like that. To use this crate, all you have to do is to find any animal, such as this tiny mouse. And from here, all you have to do is to left click on it. And now you have it. And so once you want to release it, all you have to do is just go somewhere and then just left click again. And there you go. Now you have it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.